What if I told you that a boy who once played a barefoot on the streets of Brazil would grow up to become one of the most feared footballers on the planet? A player who faced criticism, racism, pressure, and doubt, yet refused to stop dancing. This is the story of Vinicius Jr., the boy from Sao Gonçalo who conquered the football world. July 12, year 2000, in Sao Gonçalo, a city near Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Vinicius Jr. was born into a modest family. Football was not a dream, it was a way of life. As a child, he spent countless hours playing football and futsal. His family made sacrifices just so he could attend training sessions, often traveling long distances every day. Most kids dream. Vinicius worked. At just 10 years old, Vinicius joined the youth system of CR Flamengo. Coaches immediately noticed something special. His speed, his confidence, his fearlessness. By age 16, he signed his first professional contract. At 17, he made his senior debut. Brazil has found its next superstar, but Europe was already watching it. In 2017, before he had even turned 18, Spanish giants Real Madrid agreed to sign Vinicius for around 45 million euros, a massive fee for a teenager. The expectations were enormous. Many wondered, was he worth it? Could he handle the pressure of biggest club in the world? When he finally arrived in Madrid in 2018, the answers were not immediate. The talent was obvious. The end product was not. Fans loved his dribbling. Critics mocked his finishing. Every mischance became a viral clip. Every mistake became a headline. Many young players would have broken. Vinicius chose something else. He proved others wrong. He improved day after day, year after year. The laughter slowly turned into applause. Then came the breakthrough. Under coach Carlo Ancelotti, Vinicius transformed into a complete attacker. The season was 21-22. The stage, the UEFA Champions League final. The opponent, Liverpool FC. And when the biggest moment arrived, Vinicius scored the winning goal. At just 21 years old, he delivered European glory to Real Madrid. The boy, once criticized for missing chances, had become a Champions League hero. But Vinicius' journey was not only about goals and trophies. Throughout his career in Spain, he faced repeated racist abuse from sections of football crowds. Many would have stayed silent. Vinicius didn't. He spoke out. He stood his ground and he became a symbol in the fight against racism in football. His message was clear: talent has a no color, dreams have a no limits. As the years passed, Vinicius continued to grow. More goals, more assists, more trophies, another Champions League triumph, another league title. And in 2024, he reached a new peak when he was named the best FIFA men's player after helping Real Madrid dominate Europe once again. The kid from Sao Gonçalo, Brazil, has reached football summit. Vinicius Jr.'s story is not just about football, it's about resilience, about believing in yourself when others don't, about turning criticism into motivation, and proving that where you start in a life doesn't determine where you finish. The streets of Brazil created a dreamer. The world witnessed a superstar. and his story is still being written. If you enjoyed the story, subscribe to Unblown Whistle for more incredible journeys from the world of football and sports. Also contribute the smallest amount in the link given in the description. Please let me know your comments.